Hello, I had a request from a viewer to show how to make rings thrown off a split ring. So here it is, a tiny sample I tried, and I'm going to show you how to make rings thrown off a split ring. The thing with that is that you can only do them on one half of the split ring, because on the first half, in this case this is the purple half, your thread, which is coming from the shuttle, is being both the working thread and the core thread, as it is in a ring, because you have only one shuttle. So this is the bit that makes the stitches, the working thread, but this is also the core thread, so it's the same bit of thread. But on the second half of the split ring, you have a second shuttle which you are using to make the stitches, the unflipped stitches, and this is where you can make the rings thrown off the split ring. So let's start. I'm going to make the first half of the split ring, and I'm just going to make 7 stitches on the first half. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm dropping this shuttle and then using the second shuttle to make the second half of the split ring, which is in white, and they are unflipped stitches. So this thread is your working thread and the purple remains your core thread. So I'm going to make 4 stitches. So reverse order, unflipped stitches. So second half, first half 1 stitch, second half, first half 2 stitches, second half, first half 3 stitches, second half, first half with 4 stitches made on the second half of my split ring. And now I'm going to remove this from my fingers to make the thrown ring. If you're worried about front side, back side stitches, so if you want your stitches facing the same way, as you're removing it, you will see that you will actually be working on the back side to make your stitches. So if you wanted them to face the front, you would want to make them in reverse order. But I'm just going to make them standard tatting, so I'm still going to start with the first half. So I'm making the ring thrown off with the white thread. I'm just going to make 3 stitches a picot in 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, a picot and 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, like this, and close the ring. And now you want to flip your work around again so that the white half is below and the purple half is at the back, like this. And then you carry on finishing. Sorry, it's a bit big. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. You carry on making your stitches. I'm now having to rewind the thread because I pulled on it to make it bigger, to make the thrown ring. So then we carry on. First half, second half, I was making 4 stitches, the ring in 4 stitches. So 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4. And you close your split ring. I always hold the stitches between my fingers while I pull on the core thread to close the ring. Oh, it's a bit twisty, it keeps catching. Like this. Then you have a small ring thrown off your split ring. That's it. I hope you find it helpful for your projects. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.